Hello students, good morning everyone. In the last videos we completed two important uses of dimension analysis. One was conversion of one system of units into another, and the next one was derivation of formulas, right? In the examination you will face like questions of more marks like 3 or 4. Okay, basically 3 marks का questions आएगा उन दो topics से. Now, there are questions of 2 marks or 1 marks, optional questions are also there, right? In that, you will face the next two types. That is the third one, checking correctness of equation. This is the most simplest part among all the 4, okay? So now, there is no theory about it. We will just start doing the questions. I will teach you how to do the sums, okay? There is no special theory required, okay? Now, try to understand in a particular equation, the equations will be correct. How to check the correctness of equation? That the equation will be dimensionally correct only when the dimensions of LHS is equals to the dimension of RHS. We are based on this theory class. The dimension of LHS will be equals to dimension of RHS. So whenever you have a particular equation, you start with LHS, find the dimension. You start with RHS, find the dimension. If the dimensions are equal, then the equation is correct. Okay. Let's start with the first question. Using dimensional analysis, check the correctness of equation. Equation is Sn. S subscript n equals to u plus a by 2 bracket 2n minus 1 bracket close. Where Sn is the distance traveled in nth second, u initial velocity, a acceleration. What I have told you, how to check the correctness? Take LHS, write the dimension. Take RHS, write the dimension. If the dimensions are equal, then the equation is correct, right? So let's start with the LHS. LHS, whatever the LHS you can see, write on that first. What is the LHS in the equation? Sn. Now, what is Sn? Distance traveled in nth second, nth time. That is distance by time. Okay, these things we have studied. So writing dimension. Now you write what on line. Writing dimensions. As soon as you write this line, if you have any constant here, that constant will go, vanish out. The distance is L, time is T, niche है T to the minus 1. L, T minus 1 is the LHS dimension. Okay. Now start with RHS. Whatever you have in the RHS, write on that. U plus A by 2, 2n minus 1. Now writing dimensions. U is the velocity, meter per second, LT minus 1, plus A is the acceleration, meter per second square, LT minus 2, divided by 2. 2 is a constant, forget about it. No, nothing will write. Again, this 2 is a constant, forget about it. This minus 1 is a constant, forget about it. What is n? See, what is n? N is nth second. But n is what? Time. So t. Understand? Now solve it. LT minus 1 into t. LT minus 1 plus LT minus 1. LT minus 1 plus LT minus 1. Dimension it is LT minus 1. Now check out LHS. LT minus 1 dimension. RHS LT minus 1. Therefore, LHS equals to RHS dimensionally. This word is very important to write it down. Okay. Don't forget to write this word. LHS equals to RHS dimensionally. Okay. Hence equation is correct. Okay. Now one question I will give you as a homework. Two questions. Question number 2. Check the accuracy of the relation nu. Remember nu. This is not v. Nu equals to 1 by 2n under root T capital T by small n. Where nu is frequency, L is length, and capital T is tension, and small n is the mass per unit length of the string. You need to check the accuracy of the relation, whether the relation is correct or wrong. The same way you go, you take LHS, find the dimension, take RHS, find the dimension. Okay, and just remember one thing, after writing LHS, RHS, when you write this writing dimension line, after that, the constants vanishes out. Okay. Now, question number 3. This is a very important question. It is there in the NCERT. It comes in 1 or 2 marks. Okay. A famous relation in physics relates moving mass small m to the rest mass m0 of a particle in terms of its speed v and the speed of light c. A boy, हमारे जैसे एक स्टूडेंट है जो ना थोड़ा फॉर्मूला पढ़ के आए थे लेकिन भूल गए. ठीक है ना. तो अब भूल गए तो क्या करेंगे? तो थोड़ा बहुत तो याद है ना. तो थोड़ा बहुत जो याद होगा ना उससे मैं नया रिलेशन निकाल सकता हूं, करेक्ट रिलेशन. Understand? Using the dimension analysis. So a boy recalls the relation almost correctly, but forgets where to put the constant c. C कहाँ लगाना है भूल गया. He writes this: small m equals to m naught divided by 1 minus v square whole to power half. That means we can imagine it is like this: m naught by under root 1 minus v square. एक ही बात है ना. Whole to power half is 1 under root 1 minus v square. Okay, guess where to put the missing c. This is quite interesting question. It's not tough. It's very simple. You just need to understand dimensionally. I will give you a hint for this question. If you cannot do, I'm here. WhatsApp is here. You're most welcome to ask me anything you want. Okay. Now see. Let me give you a hint. In the LHS, we have only mass. That means dimension is capital M. That means in the RHS also the dimension should be capital M because the equation should be correct. Okay. Now you check कि dimension capital M आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. नहीं आ रहा है तो कौन सा प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. तो ये C कहाँ जाएगा. Just give a try on your own. Okay class. If you cannot do it, okay, let me do it because you cannot do it. नहीं आएगा तुमको. Let me do the solution. Okay. Now see, what is M? M is m naught under root 1 minus v square. Now check out LHS. सब रफ में सोचना है, ठीक है ना. हमको डायरेक्ट रिलेशन लिखना है. Check out the LHS. What is LHS? M dimension is capital M. Check out the RHS. What is RHS? M naught by under root 1 minus v square. Okay. इसका अगर तुम डायमेंशन लिखोगे तो ये तो मास है, रेस्ट मास. That is capital M. Okay. Under root 1 minus 1 minus constant भूल जाओ. v square L t minus 1 whole square. तो यहां पे प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. m नहीं आ रहा तो L t minus 1 whole square को गायब करना पड़ेगा. अंडरस्टैंड. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ पे मास है, RHS से मास है, LHS से मास है. मास और मास सेम आना चाहिए. दैट मीन्स नीचे डायमेंशनलेस आना चाहिए. लेकिन नीचे v square आ रहा है ना, नीचे डायमेंशनलेस नहीं आ रहा. अंडरस्टैंड. नाउ सो टू मेक RHS dimension as capital M. Okay, the denominator of RHS must be dimensionless. Dimensionless होना चाहिए. Denominator dimensionless होना चाहिए. Then only RHS capital M आएगा. Okay, therefore डायमेंशनलेस होने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा. सी नहीं सी अंडर रूट 1 माइनस वी स्क्वायर, नीचे सी स्क्वायर लगा दो, हो गया. अब तो वी स्क्वायर डायमेंशन एंड डायमेंशन सेम है. एल टी माइनस 1 कट जाएगा, नीचे डायमेंशनलेस आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज द करेक्ट इक्वेशन. ओके क्लास. नाउ लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चंस. Okay, let's go to the question number 4. A book with printing error, okay, printing contains 4 different formulas for the displacement y of a particle in time t, small t. T is given as, first, y equals to a sine 2 pi small t by capital T. Second, y equals to a sine dt. Third, y equals to a by capital T sine small t by a. Fourth, y equals to a by root 2 bracket sine 2 pi small t by capital T plus cos 2 pi small t by capital T. Here a is the maximum displacement, y is the displacement and small t is the time. It's written in the first line only at the end. And in the third line is written a. Small a is the maximum displacement, small v is the speed and capital T is the time period. Rule out the wrong formulae on dimensional ground. Okay, on dimensional ground means what? You need to use dimension analysis to check out of these 4 formulas which formula is wrong. Okay, I did 1 and 2 here on the board. Your job is to do 3rd and 4th and show me whether it's correct or wrong. Okay, 3rd and 4th is your job. 1 and 2 I am doing it. Now before doing these questions, now try to understand a concept which you already know, but you don't know, you have to apply here. Okay, we already know that angles are dimensionless. पता है मेरे को angle is length of arc by radius L by L, dimensionless होता है. We already know whenever in the equation we have sin cos, sin है, cos है, कुछ भी है, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, तो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री के अंदर जो भी होता है वो एंगल होता है. लाइक सी कॉन्सेप्ट ट्रिग्नो, दिस इज written ट्रिग्नो. ट्रिग्नो के साथ whatever we have that is an angle. Okay, example sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta. These are what? Angles, na? And we know theta is angle. Angle is dimensionless, m0, l0, t0. That means from these things we understand with sin, cos, whatever we have inside, we should have a dimensionless quantity. m0, l0, t0. ये dimensionless आना चाहिए sin के अंदर. Okay, so whenever in the equation you have trigonometry, sin, cos, you need to check this. Whether inside the trigonometry do we have dimensionless quantities or not. Okay, let's check with the question number 1. Y equals to, solution start from here. Question number 1, y equals to a sin 2 pi small t by capital T. Okay, let's start with LHS. What is LHS? Y. What is y? Displacement लिखा हुआ है, that means it is L. Okay, next RHS, a sin 2 pi t by t. Now in this we have a trigonometry here. First of all, check this trigonometry sign. चेक कर लो आप, क्या ये डायमेंशनलेस आ रहा है कि नहीं आ रहा है. अगर ये डायमेंशनलेस नहीं आया, ये वाला पार्ट, तो इक्वेशन वहीं पे गलत हो जाएगा. अगर ये डायमेंशनलेस आ गया, देन मैं फर्दर सब्स्टिट्यूट करूंगा वैल्यूज को. क्लियर? मैं फर्दर डायमेंशन लिखूंगा एलएचएस का, क्योंकि एलएचएस कंटेन्स ए आल्सो एज वेल एज दिस आल्सो. First you need to check the trigonometry part whether it is dimensionless or not. If it is dimensionless, then we'll check the rest part of the RHS. But if it is not dimensionless, then the equation then there is incorrect, because with sin and cos the inside part should be dimensionless. You understand what we will do for? Okay, now see. First check the 2 pi t. For 2 pi small t by capital T. If you write dimension, 2 pi will go vanish out. Small t is time, capital T. Capital T is also time period, capital T. This capital T is for time period, and this capital T is for dimension of the time period. Time period is also time only, so capital T dimension. Small t is also a time only, capital T dimension. So if we cancel, we will get m0, l0, t0. That means this 2 pi t by small t by capital T, this is dimensionless. Yes? Then we can go further. Now you solve it this part. A is what? Maximum displacement, L. This is dimensionless, m0, l0, t0. So multiply, you will get L. You understand, class? Okay. So first we check the angle part. After substituting the dimensions of angles, we got dimensionless. That means this equation is almost correct, till not correct. With trigonometry, we are getting dimensionless. You understand? Then we'll check the rest part of the RHS. So RHS A, what is A? Maximum displacement. It is displacement only, L. Okay, what is this? This is dimensionless. So now see, LHS and RHS, they are equal, L and L, dimensionally. Hence, equation is correct. Let's go to question number 2. Y equals to A sin Vt. Okay, small v, small t. LHS, Y. What is Y? Displacement. It's written out in the question. So it is L. RHS, A sin Vt. Again, in the RHS, we have trigonometry. So what's the first job? Check the inside part of the trigonometry. So for Vt, what is velocity, the dimension? Meter per second, L t minus 1. What is small t? Time. So t minus 1 t कर जाएगा, बचेगा L. Now see, what is Vt? Vt का dimension L आ रहा है, which is not equals to dimensionless. समझ में आया कैसे पढ़ते हैं इसको? We write mathematically like this, but what I mean to say is that the angle Vt is coming L, which should be coming dimensionless. So it is not equals to dimensionless. Hence, this implies equation is incorrect. और बाकी चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, यहीं पे गलती हो गया ना, because inside part it is it's not coming dimensionless, it is coming dimension L. You understand, class? Okay, now we will do one question which is a mixture of two different types. Okay, that is we need to do in that question correctness check करना है, then we need to derive the question. That means 2 and 3 together, mixture of the question. Those questions expected in examination, where we need to do the mixture of two different types. Okay, class? Okay, class. Now, question number 5. I told you the mixture of two different types. Try to understand the question. Show dimensionally that the relation small t equals to 2 pi small l by small g is incorrect, where L is length and small t is time period of a simple pendulum. Find the correct form of the relation dimensionally. See, there are two questions. First, we need to show the equation is incorrect. Then we need to find the correct formula also. That is, we need to derive the formula. We need to derive the formula. Okay. So this is a mixture of two questions, two types. Check करो, फिर derive भी करो. Okay. Now इसमें एक जगह से ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. So listen very carefully the whole solution nicely. Okay. So solution starts from here. Write down the equation t equals to 2 pi L by g. We need to check it is correct or incorrect, or we need to prove it is incorrect. So when it will be incorrect? When the dimension of LHS is not equal to the dimension of RHS, right? So let's start with LHS, small t. Small t is what? Time period. So what is dimension? Capital T. Okay. Now RHS. What is RHS? 2 pi L by g. Now when I will write the dimensions, 2 pi will go. L is L, length, capital L. What is g? Acceleration due to gravity. This is standard, you know this thing. This is acceleration due to gravity. It is an acceleration only, okay? It is an acceleration. So that is meter per second square. Meter is length, second square, t minus 2. So L will cancel out, t minus 2 will go up, becomes t square. So LHS and RHS, see, they are not equal. One is t, other is t square. So since we can write like this also, you know this thing? Since को ऐसे लिख सकते हैं और therefore को ऐसे लिखते हैं. This is a therefore. इसको उल्टा कर दो तो ये since हो गया. ठीक है ना? तो I'm writing this. Since LHS not equals to RHS dimensionally, they are not equal ना? एक t है, t square है. Hence the equation is incorrect. Okay? Now try to listen very carefully and try to understand what I'm saying now. They are not equal. Why? Because of the power. That's all. Not because of one has L, other has T. This type of difference we don't have. Okay. So when they are not equal, because of only power, that means the formula what is written here, T, L, G, this suggests, this helps us to know that T depends only on L and G. There is no other extra factor we have. अगर यहाँ पे t के साथ l आ जाता, मतलब if the dimensions are not equal and they differ by other fundamental quantities, differ by other fundamental quantities मतलब क्या? यहाँ पे t है, l भी है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ t है, तो पूरा अलग हो जा रहा है, मतलब अलग दूसरा फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज ही नहीं है इधर. उस टाइप का डिफरेंस अगर आए, उसका मतलब होता है कि t सिर्फ L और G पे डिपेंड नहीं करता, वो और भी कोई फैक्टर्स पे डिपेंड करता है. अच्छे से समझ में आ रहा है मैं क्या बोलना चाह रहा हूं? सो यू हैव टू सी आफ्टर चेकिंग दे आर इनकरेक्ट, यू हैव टू सी व्हाई दे आर इनकरेक्ट, बिकॉज वन इज t, अदर इज t स्क्वायर. सो दीज टू डायमेंशंस अलग अलग है बिकॉज ऑफ पावर्स, नॉट बिकॉज ऑफ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज. दोनों में फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी t ही आ रहा है, टाइम ही आ रहा है, सिर्फ पावर अलग है. अंडरस्टैंड? ओके, इसका मतलब T depends on L and G. Okay, now since T, small t depends on, why I have written this? ये लिखने के टाइम हमको बहुत कुछ सोचना पड़ता है, which we don't replicate here on the solution. We think in our mind that they are differing by only by powers, not by fundamental quantities. अगर ये LT हो जाता और ये T हो जाता तो अब क्या होता? पावर तो अलग है ही, साथ साथ अदर दूसरा फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी भी अलग से आ रहा है इधर. ओके, इट हैज एक्स्ट्रा वन लेंथ फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी. सो इफ दिस टाइप ऑफ केस हैपेंस, देन वी कैन नॉट राइट T डिपेंड्स ऑन ओनली एनर्जी. ओके, इट मे डिपेंड्स ऑन सम अदर फैक्टर्स आल्सो व्हिच मे बी डिस्कस्ड इन द क्वेश्चन अर्लियर. हियर इज नो डिस्कशन बिकॉज़ व्हाइल सॉल्विंग यू विल गेट दे विल डिफर बाय पावर ओनली. आर यू गेटिंग मी? सो अगर यहाँ पे पावर छोड़ के दूसरा फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटी भी आ जाता है एक्स्ट्रा, तब मैं सिर्फ ये नहीं लिख सकता. तो ये मुझे कहां से पता चला? फॉर्मूला से पता चला. जो फॉर्मूला गलत फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है, द फॉर्मूला व्हिच इज रॉन्ग इन दिस फॉर्मूला, T in terms of L and G, that is T depends on L and G, but T only depends on L and G. How we understand that? From this, they are differing, the LHS RHS is differing only by power. You understand? So T depends on L and G. Now you know. How to derive the formula? So if T depends on energy, T proportional to L to power A, G to power B. You can either write G to power A, L to power B. ये तो पता है हमने पढ़ा हुआ है. So equals to one constant we keep. Here we already know the constant 2 pi, so I'm writing 2 pi. I'm not writing small k. Okay. So why am I writing small k? Because I already know the constant 2 pi. Understand? L to pi G. Now writing dimension both sides. T time periods capital T. 2 pi dimension गायब हो जाएगा. Length L. Acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration meter per second square. L T minus 2 whole to power B. So L to power A, L to power B, L to power A plus B, T to power minus 2B. Understand? यहाँ पे सिर्फ T था, यहाँ पे L और T दोनों हैं. Here also we have to write L to power 0. L नहीं है मतलब L to power 0 लिखो. Now we can apply principle of homogeneity. Power of LL will be equal. A plus B equals to 0. Minus 2B equals to 1. From here B equals to minus half, A equals to minus B, substitute here, A equals to half. So we got A and B. Now substitute here. T equals to 2 pi L to power A. What is A? Half. G to power B. What is B? Minus half. Job is done. Okay. The only thing is that T depends on the given factors only when the dimensions are not equal because of only power. No extra fundamental quantities are there. Now, the next question we will do as a homework. Question number 6. I am reading the question. A body of mass small m hung HUNG hang को बोलते हैं. Okay. At one end of a spring executes simple harmonic motion. इतना सब देख के ना दिमाग खराब मत कर लेना, कोई टेंशन नहीं है. नॉर्मल सोचो ना अपना. Simple harmonic motion क्या है? These things are not required here. This is just given as a fact. Okay. The force constant of the spring is capital K, while the period of vibration is capital T. Time period. By method of dimension, show that by equation capital T equals to 2 pi small m by capital K is incorrect, and hence find the correct formula dimension. Similar types of. First we need to prove it is incorrect, and then we need to find the formula. Okay. Here only one hint I will give you because you don't know what is force constant. So listen very carefully. F equals to kx होता है formula. Kx. Okay. Where this is restoring force, and this is displacement. X is displacement. Okay. And K is what? Force constant. तो तुम्हें dimension चाहिए होगा force constant का. तो what is force constant? Force F by X. So restoring force, restoring हो के applied हुआ है तो force ना. So dimension of force लिख देना. Displacement dimension of, यहाँ से force constant का dimension आ जाएगा. Understood class? वहां से तुम आंसर निकाल सकते हो. Okay. Finally जो आंसर आएगा वो मैं बता दे रहा हूँ. T equals to 2 pi. Okay. M to power half. ये आंसर आएगा. M to power half and capital K to power minus half. This will be your answer. It will be coming. While solving, you don't know only one term. What is force constant? I told you what is the force constant. How to find the dimension. I want you guys to solve this question on your own. Okay, class? Okay. Let's go to the last question of this type. Now, students, very hardcore truth of every class 11, 12 science students is that we have chosen science stream. We know we are not like, we cannot be satisfied only with board marks. The board marks will not help you to get anything after class 12. That means to make your career is not possible with class 12 boards. So you need to go for entrance also, right? So when we will be studying here, till now, whenever we have studied any topic, I always touch small few questions of entrance, which helps you to. We are not studying only boards, okay? We are studying little bit of entrance, not complete entrance. Again, I am saying a little bit of entrance, which help you to come score marks in the preliminary steps of the entrance examination. That the first exams, which are a little bit easy, like WBJE, like JE mains. Is easy, but advanced is tough. We are not doing questions of advanced. You are not here to study advanced here. You are here to study boards. But with boards, I am teaching you small questions of entrance, the first preliminary rounds questions. Okay, so that for that you don't need a coaching, you need to do the self study. But for advanced, especially IIT JEE advanced के लिए आपको coaching चाहिए होता है. Okay, so similar to that type, one question from this type, checking the correctness, comes in entrance also. Okay, so let's talk about that question. ये क्वेश्चन आपके बोर्ड में आने के कम चांसेस है, आपके पेपर में आने के, स्कूल के एग्जाम में आने के बहुत कम चांसेस है, but this will increase your knowledge. Moreover, these questions may comes in WebG and all those things. Okay, WebG means WBJEE. Okay, now see. देखो पूरा अलग है, इंटीग्रेशन क्या क्या आ गया डायमेंशन में दिख रहा है. Let x and a stands for distance. Is integration dx by under root a square minus x square equals to 1 by a sin inverse a by x is dimensionally correct or wrong. Okay, now when you check out in the books the solution of this, they use the integration formula to prove it. Moreover, they did not use the whole integration formula. They have written vague that इसका इंटीग्रेशन तुम पढ़ोगे क्लास 12 में, इसका इंटीग्रेशन लॉग होता है, log of something आता है. Okay, but I am not doing it in that way. These questions you will face in entrance, और अगर बोर्ड भी आया तो ऑप्शनल क्वेश्चंस आएगा. तो I am just showing you how we do it. Okay, but not bookish method. Okay, something else. We know x and a are distance. To prove it is dimensionally correct, what we do? We take LHS, right dimensions. We take RHS, right dimensions. We will do the same basic method. LHS can integration of dx by under root a square minus x square. अब देखो writing dimension ऐसा किसी बुक में नहीं किया होगा, ठीक है ना. We are just doing a basics to understand how to get it, but this is not the correct way. But this will give you a correct answer, and we are depending on MCQs, so we just need to take the correct answer, right? And moreover, if this comes in boards as a subjective question, you can do this method also. This is not wrong. I will not, the teacher will cut the whole thing. Okay, it is mathematically and not mathematically, dimensionally it's correct what we are doing here. See, what is x? Distance. What is dx? Small distance. तो small distance का dimension भी तो L ही होगा ना. बड़ा distance भी L होता है, small distance भी L ही होता है. Under root. What is a distance? L square. What is x distance? L square. So what you got? Integration of L by L square minus L square is L square. Understood? That is integration of L by under root L square is L. That is integration of m0 L0 t0. अब तुम समझो what is the meaning of integration. When we integrate, actually we do sum. We add those quantities which are changing every instant. If we want to add those quantities which are changing at every instant, we cannot add them directly. We need to integrate them. In short, integration is addition. So when we say integration of m0 L0 t0, इसका मतलब क्या होता है? इसका मतलब ये होता है m0 L0 t0 plus m0 L0 t0 plus and so on. So when all the dimensions are equal, इनका sum भी तो m0 L0 t0 आएगा ना plus. Okay, now check out with the RHS. What is RHS? 1 by a sin inverse a by x. Now this is something new to you. You know sin theta. Okay, जब उसको मैं arc sin theta बोलता हूं तो उसको sin inverse बोलते हैं. अभी के लिए इतना ही सुनो, ज्यादा देखना नहीं है. वो सब क्लास 12 में मैथमेटिक्स में आता है, तुम उसका टेंशन नहीं लेना है. अब तुम सिर्फ समझो ये ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है, इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्री है. तो यहाँ भी फर्स्ट में क्या चेक करना पड़ेगा? ट्रिग्नोमेट्री आ गया ना, तुम्हें चेक करना पड़ेगा क्या ये डायमेंशन सही है. सो a by x क्या हो गया? For a by x, L by L है ना, dimensionless m0 L0 t0 आ रहा है. तो then we can check the further part. 1 by what is L? A is distance, L m0 L0 t0. तो कितना आ गया? L minus 1 आ गया. RHS आ गया L minus 1. But LHS क्या है? m0 L0 t0. मतलब क्या प्रूव हो गया? LHS not equals to RHS dimensionally. That means this equation is incorrect. Okay, class. That's all for this video, and we completed one topic, that is checking the correctness of the equation. Thank you, class.